Hey guys, welcome back to UpClick. In this video, I'll be showing you how to transfer Google Play balance to another Gmail account. But first, check our special offer in the description. So, let's get started. So, if you want to transfer your Google Play balance to another Google account or a Gmail account here, well, there are a few things that we need to understand. Now, if you're transferring or you're planning on transferring your Google Play balance to another Gmail or Google account, well, the direct and simple answer to that is currently Google does not directly support it. Now, it's really important that I mention directly. So currently, if you just intend to transfer the balance from another or just a common Google account or Gmail account, you won't be able to do it. But in some special circumstances or in some special occasions here, you will have the chance to do so. So what is that special circumstance here? Now, if you have, like, for example, a child account, like for example your child, which is typically around like 13 and below, and you set up family link in their account and you've set them as a child, well, you'll have the option to make the transfer. So typically, you can make the transfer from your child's account to your account as long as you are the family manager. So typically, to make the transfer, you want to go and search for a very specific article. So you just need to type in the following. It's going to be transfer play balance from your child's account and just search for it. Now you want to look for the very first link or article that you should be seeing in here. It's going to say transfer play balance from your child's account. Let's go and access that one. Now from here, it will give you the article for transferring the balance from your child's account. So you want to go and scroll down a bit here and just click on the transfer play balance and it should open up the form. Now from here, you just need to fill out the necessary information. So for example, you need to enter your child's email address that has a Google Play balance, and also they may require you to enter or confirm a few things regarding your account. Now typically, if your account and your child's account meets the requirements or the proper criteria here, they'll be able to email you or notify you that they can make the transfer and confirm with you if you want to proceed with the actual transfer. Now, currently, this is the only way for you to make the transfer as of right now. Google Play hasn't had the chance, or they haven't implemented any system that allows you to directly transfer your Google Play balance to another or ordinary Gmail account. But that's about it. So if you found this video helpful, hit the like and share button and watch our next video.